Hey, we've had a lot of questions about blossom end rot this week, and I wanted to shoot a quick video to talk about what it is and why it's happening to you, specifically if you're in Oklahoma right now. So blossom end rot is caused, let me first say what it is. The blossom end rot is when the end of the fruit, whether it's a cucumber or tomato or whatever fruit, develops this kind of black spot at the end, and it's a rotting spot, and the fruit isn't good, and you can't eat that fruit. So typically it happens for one of two reasons. One is either because there's a calcium deficiency, or two is because overwatering has caused the calcium to be flushed out of the fruit. So if you're in Oklahoma, we've had so much rain the past week or two that it's more than likely just from the extra rain. So it's nothing to worry about. The fruits that are coming next will be fine. If you're not in Oklahoma, or if it's not a rain situation, it's possible that it's a calcium deficiency. Our soil here has a lot of calcium in it, so in Oklahoma it's pretty rare to have a calcium deficiency, but that might be something to look for. So get a soil test and you can find out if you're low in that, and you can supplement it into your garden. It's really easy. You can also do things like eggshells and other things like that for sources of calcium. So we've had a lot of questions about this week, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video to answer them. So thank you for watching.